In our previous video we have already covered how you should enter into service mode for Canon PRO series printers. In this video, we will demonstrate how you should prepare your Canon PRO series printer to transport outdoors and reinstall it. In transport mode, the ink get drawn to the maintenance tank, and if the tank is full, the printer will show an error message as shown below and transport process will not be completed. Thus, it is important to clean and reset the maintenance tank. So first, empty the maintenance tank, put some tissue in it to soak the ink, and reinstall it in the printer. Then go to the service mode, and select printer status. Now select other consumable usage log, and choose maintenance cartridge usage option. Here it shows the 60% usage of maintenance cartridge is done. Now, click on reset, and execute the process. After completion, you can see the usage being reset to 0. Now turn the printer off and restart it normally. Once on, go to the maintenance option. Click on Prepare to Move, select Transport Outdoor option, and execute it. Now follow the instructions and take all the cartridges out. After that, close them all and the tank covers as instructed. As the absorption of the inks is done, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Now turn the printer off from power button, and your printer is ready to be transported outdoors. While restarting the printer, put the cartridges inside with sufficient ink level and then start the printer in normal mode. Since there is a chance of mishandling during the transport, it is advised not to start printing before checking the nozzle pattern of the printer.